Tomochichi, Chapter 4. The Growth of Georgia. Tomochichi and his family stayed in England for 4 months. They made many friends there. After they went home, Tomochichi asked English settlers to help him start a school for Yamakra children. The school opened in 1736. Tomochichi helped keep peace between the settlers, the Creek, and the Yamakra for the rest of his life. They learned many things from each other. Because of this friendship, the growing colony of Georgia stayed a peaceful place. Thanks to Tomochichi's help, Savannah became the colony's first city. Here is a picture at the bottom of the page. The caption says, Madison Square in Savannah was named for President James Madison. You can see a drawing of the first street plan for Savannah on page 14. This is the page 14 that we just read a moment ago, and there is the picture of the drawing of the idea that they had. And here is a picture of an actual part of the drawing they created. This is one of the buildings that they actually created based on the drawing. To remember Tomochichi, the people of Savannah put a large rock in Wright Square. A plaque or sign on the rock says that Tomochichi was a friend to Oglethorpe. It also says he was a friend and helper to the colony of Georgia. Right here is the sign about Tomochichi, and that was placed in Savannah's Wright Square in 1899. Today, Tomochichi is remembered for his help in founding Georgia. We honor him because he kept peace in the new colony. He was a good leader to the Creek and the Yamakra. His friendship with Oglethorpe and the King of England earned him the trust of the settlers. The colony of Georgia could not have been built without his help. Here below is a picture of Tomochichi on the banner, right here, to celebrate the 300th birthday of James Oglethorpe.